Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked a pretty good question. I'm going to change my page size to a sheet of paper because that's the only reason I would see that you would do this. And then I'm going to make multiple pages. Somebody asked me a question, instead of starting with page 1, could you start it at page 100 and then go to 101? Under layout, you can page number settings, and you could start at 100 and start it on page 1 and say, okay, then go to layout, insert page number on all pages, and see it put 104. There's 100. Now, I'm pretty sure, I don't ever do this, but I'm pretty sure you can move it over there and it'll be over there for all the pages. So if you look, wherever you set it, I think you probably go to page 1, set it wherever you want, set it what font size you want, and it's going to stay 101, 102, 103, 104. So you could start with any number, and it's all under layout. Page number setting and insert pages. You can do, like if you were printing a book and you wanted odd pages and even pages, and then, if you wanted, so you could staple them together and make a book. But there's the key right there, page number settings. And you could start it out, I'm pretty sure, with any number. And see what, of course, you'd have to make sure you're in the realm of the paper, but then it's going to be 101 to 104. Anyway, I hope that answered that gentleman's question, and thank you for watching.